Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. You know, we launched the channel yesterday, so this is my first official full video. So give myself a round of applause. I'm Elizabeth Dionne. So today we're going to talk about CMOS. I told you that you're going to get videos for self-help and wellness, so here it is. I was trolling this morning because we're all locked at home at this pandemic, and you know, we ain't got nothing else better to do but troll on the internet. And I saw a video with Tamar Baxton because I love her, and she was doing this video about CMOS and how to make her CMOS taste better. And she tried all types of fruits. It ended up putting alcohol. No. Do not put alcohol in your CMOS smoothies to make it taste better. That just defeats the purpose. So I decided this morning before I start to work out, I'm going to show you how to do a CMOS smoothie that tastes delicious, and then tell you a little bit about CMOS. CMOS comes like this, all right? Let me show you how it comes in the bag. You can buy it. You can either buy it in the gel already made, or you can actually buy the Irish CMOS like right out of the seed. And this is how I have mine. I didn't use this whole bag, so. Ooh. And it smells. It comes from the sea. It's fresh. It contains 92 minerals of the 102 minerals that our bodies are made up of. So it is absolutely, it's organic, it's live, it's a live algae. So it has that sea smell. So you're gonna have to soak it and clean it several times to get the debris off of it, and then soak it in spring water. Make sure it's spring water. You want the purest form of water to get the best product. So once you've soaked it, you're gonna put it in your blender. You put the Irish, the spring water in it. You blend it up, and this is what you'll get. Okay, you'll get it. It'll like solidify and become like this gel form. So now you can either take this, put a little lime on it, and eat it that way. And that's pretty much the most recommended way because it's in its natural state. You're not like adding to it or taking from it. And like again, it's 92 minerals of the 102 minerals that are made up in your body. And that's the best way. But if you can't, because it has that taste, it's a little fishy. I'm gonna show you how I do mine every morning before I work out. And it also helps with suppressing your appetite too. So this is just acai. I got it from Whole Foods, and this is how I start my day before I, this is hard to do. Before I start working out, and it's the first thing that I have in the morning because it helps suppress your appetite. So if you're trying to like get in shape and not crave all of those sugars and carbs, you can have your CMOS and it'll really help level you out. Then I take it, and this is really, really important. The banana makes it amazing. I put a whole banana in mine. I like to use the bananas that have been sitting for a day because they have a little more sweetness in it. So I take my banana. And then I take my wild blueberries. Take a whole bunch of those. And I take a little bit of my strawberries. And put that in there as well. Like a handful. And I don't really measure. I just put it in there. Alright, so we're done with those. And then I take the CMOS. So it's recommended 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. So I get my serving in one whole thing. And then for all of you people that like to work out, I take a little protein powder. Again, it's gonna help. As I'm making a mess. I take a little protein powder for those who like to work out and trying to be healthy as we're in this pandemic. Oh, so now you're gonna need a liquid. Now you can either take the spring water and just put it in there, or depends on how you want your smoothie to taste. So because I have the blueberries and I have the protein powder, I'm gonna take some unsweetened almond milk. Okay, and I fill that up to like about half of that. Another way that you can use your CMOS is I put it on my face. This right here, after I exfoliate at night, I take it and I put it on my face, and it's an amazing mask, and it helps with the hyperpigmentation in your skin, and it also helps with help to produce more collagen in your skin. So if you're starting to see fine lines and a little bit of wrinkles, and you know, as we're sitting at home and we're eating, and you know, you see that your neck is starting to get loose skin, try some sea moss because it's amazing. I've been doing this now for about 3 to 4 days and my skin looks amazing. So turn on your powder. Okay, so you want it to have, like, this, mine's a little thick, the consistency, so I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna add some more milk. And again, it's almond milk because you want to stay away from the dairy. Okay, so I'm gonna take my organic almond milk, by the way. So now I've got a nice consistency of it, and this is my breakfast. This is gonna hold me over until dinner time. You've got your proteins in it, you've got your sea moss. It's gonna help you with your inside and your out. This is delicious. So try it, guys. You can add any type of fruit you want, pineapples if you want, more bananas if you want it sweeter. Do not put alcohol in your sea moss. I'm sorry, Tamma, I love you, but girl, don't do that, because again, it's the minerals. We're trying to replenish all those minerals that we lose, and it helps to boost the immune system, and your skin looks amazing. We're actually getting ready to do a 7-day challenge with all my friends. So if you want to join us, please order your sea moss, and you know, make up your gel, get yourself ready. We're gonna do a 7-day challenge with nothing but sea moss and spring water, fresh fruits and vegetables, and you're gonna feel amazing. So don't forget to subscribe and join us again on the Dionne Project.